Our simplified answer is 5x cubed y cubed times the cube root of 2x squared y. Now that's pretty amazing if you got it right on your first try. If you stumbled a little bit, that's definitely okay. See if you can find your first mistake in the solution video and then pause it to see if you can work towards this answer. We start by simplifying the cube root of 54 and the cube root of 16. We want to split this up into 27 times 2. This allows us to take the cube root of 27, which we know is 3. The same is true for 16. We split it up into 8 times 2, so we can take the cube root of 8. So for this first radical, we know the cube root of 27 equals 3. This 2 stays inside of the radical since we don't have the 2 repeated 3 times. Now we can use power divided by root to simplify our variables. For x, we'll have 8 divided by 3, which equals 2 remainder 2. This means we'll have x squared on the outside of our radical and x squared on the inside of our radical. For the variable y, we'll have 10 divided by 3, which equals 3 remainder 1. This means we'll have y cubed on the outside of our radical and 1y, or just y, on the inside of our radical. For the second radical, we want to take the cube root of 8, which equals 2. This 2 just stays inside the radical. For the variable x, we'll use power divided by root. This gives us 1 remainder 2. So we'll have 1x outside of our radical and x squared inside of our radical. For y, we'll have 2 remainder 1, so y squared on the outside and y to the 1 on the inside. We multiply these numbers together to get 9x cubed y cubed. Over here we multiply them as well. We'll have 4 x to the third and y cubed. Notice that this term and this term has x cubed y cubed times the cube root of 2x squared y. This means that they're like. So really we're just going to do 9 minus 4 and then multiply it by the trailing variables in radical. 9 minus 4 equals 5, so this is our final result.